Now we have Troy with a big question. He says, I received a check from the insurance company with the mortgage company on it also. I contacted the mortgage company to find out where to send it, and they sent me an 8-page letter, almost like a contract, stating they were going to hold all the monies until the repairs are completed. And then they send out an inspector to verify that the repairs have been done. I haven't found one honest contractor that would do a job based on good faith of the mortgage company and not knowing what they will get paid. What are my options? So yeah, it's a really big question.
Well, I mean, first off, it's very common to have the mortgage company, it's almost 100% of the time the mortgage company is going to be on the check as well. And if you think about it this way, the bank has lent you money on the house, and the house is collateral that's securing that bank loan. So the bank has a vested interest in making sure the house is repaired, just as you as the homeowner has a vested interest in making sure the house is repaired. And the bank wants to collect, or excuse me, they want to protect the collateral that they've lent money against. And so it is very common. I mean, it always happens. Right. I mean, you're always going to have the mortgage company and you on the check. So what you would need to do is you need to go down to the bank, have them endorse the check, and depending on the amount of the check, they'll either endorse it and allow you to put the money into your own bank account and you pay for the repairs as you see fit. Or if it's over a certain amount, some banks it's $25,000, some banks it's $50,000, some banks it's a higher threshold, some banks they have a threshold depending on a variety of different things. But if it goes over a certain amount of money, the bank is going to require that money be deposited into almost like an escrow account, and then it becomes almost like a construction loan where you send them the check, you send them the contractor documents, the contractor sends them a copy of their license, the contractor sends them a copy of what's called a waiver of lien, and then as the repairs are done, they will release the money to be paid directly to the contractor. Sometimes they'll send out somebody to make sure the repairs were done, sometimes they won't. Sometimes they will advance you money. So if you had, say, a $100,000 loss, they may advance you $25,000 or $50,000 to go ahead and get repairs started without even asking any questions. That is a very common thing, but if you think about it, the whole point of doing that is to make sure that the bank is protected and you're protected and your investment is protected.